Looking at the screen here, you can barely see I have $343 in this particular account on Monetag. Now, I'm actually going to show you everything you have to know just because in 2026, there is a new way for you to make money on Monetag. So without wasting my time, let's actually proceed with how you can start making money with Monetag. Even if you're a beginner, I'm going to show you everything you have to know. What you need to do right now is to just watch this video from the beginning to an end, then you get to understand everything simply. Now, first thing first is just go to your browser and search in for Monetag. Now, you can barely see Monetag here, the screen, right? Now, use the first link at this session, which says Monetag, all right? Just click on it. You guys should actually forgive me for today just because my speaker is actually not giving me the good sound, so I'm trying to work on it. So once you just click on it, here it's gonna tell you to log into your account or you're gonna sign up your account. So this particular strategy is going to help you make money in this current 2026. So if you already have an account, just click on the login at this session. Or if you just want to create a new account and start making money with Monetag, what you need to do is just click on the sign up button here and then you're good to go. Now, once you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you to this particular session here. All right. So this is where you're going to end. So either you actually want to sign up an account with your Google or you're going to use a new email account. So let's say I'm going to use a new email account. I'll just click on create account with email. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this session here. What you need to do is just input in your first name, go ahead and input in your last name. Of course, the email you prefer to use, right? Just choose the country of residence. So wherever you're watching this particular video, either Nigeria, Ghana, Afghanistan, or wherever you're watching this particular video, just input in that session, right? Now, this session say optional, but it's very important for you to input in something here, just because whenever your account you got a problem with your account, you can actually communicate with the support services on Monetag via this session. So just input in any of these information here. So WhatsApp, I will input in my nickname. So let's say your name, your normal name, input it in this session. Go ahead and input in a phone number you can actually get to verify yourself. Now, once you're done, click on the continue button, and it's actually going to tell you to select where you get your information and any other more, right? Now, once you are done, most people know much about this, but if you're a beginner or new to this, please go ahead and watch previous videos of mine. I've actually taken time to explain everything for you, all right? So once you are done, you're actually going to log into this particular account or sign up an account with this particular session. Now, I already have this particular account here, so I'm not actually going to waste time for you to know how it is done. Now, I'm going to show you this strategy in order for you to make money on Monetag as well. Monetag is one of the best profitable CPM or where you can earn traffic from. So either you're a website developer, either you are a social manager, or any other person there struggling to make money on the internet, this particular way is actually going to help you. Yeah. So you can actually monetize your website with Monetag. You can get traffic from Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and many other social media platforms with Monetag. And that is what I'm actually going to show you right here today. Now, with that, let me show you how this actually works. 2026, there will be a new changes on Monetag. So let me try to explain to you how these changes has affected the overview of the platform in order for you to get the whole concept and then get your way in and out on the platform. And the first we're going to talk about is the statistics. Now, what these statistics does is that when you start making money on Monetag, it's actually going to show you how your link is performing on where you've placed it. So let's say you actually copied a direct link or a smart link from Monetag and started promoting it on Facebook. It's actually going to show you how Facebook is treating your link. So if you shared your link on, let's say, your website, it's actually going to show you how your website is treating the link. Either the link is performing well or it is actually not performing well. That's what statistics is going to tell you. So when you come to this session, it's going to tell you the dates, the zone, country, where you selected and everything, right? The impression you're getting from that particular site, the profit you're making out of the impression, and the CPM as well. All right. So what you need to do is just pick the statistics each and every time when you start making money on Monetag. Now it says to this session, which says direct link. Now direct link is the real deal here for you to make money. If you can't generate your direct link, that means you cannot make money on Monetag. Now let me show you how you can actually make money with the direct link on Monetag. So what you need to do is just come to this section which says add direct link, click on it. And basically, it's going to create a new direct link. Now you can see direct link successfully created. This means you have this particular direct link here on the surface here. Now what you need to do is just going to copy this particular link here. Now let's say I'm going to open this link here, right, and paste it. Now once I paste it, this is what is actually going to pop up on my screen. Now, the more people click on this particular link, the more you make money. That is basically about monetization. This is the easiest way to make money as of 2026. Now, I'm going to show you with you some strategies you can use to promote your direct link in order for you to get a lot of impressions, a lot of CPMs, and a lot of profit. So the more people click on this particular link here, the more you make money out from it. That is it. That is easy, as simple as that. There is no need for you to make any investment in this. There is no need for you to just refer somebody to make money. You can actually make money all by yourself with this particular strategy I am actually sharing with you here. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you here is the payment method. Now, this is one of the easiest way you can make money out from it and also cash out your money each and every single time. Now, the cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is everywhere. Unlike paper and the web money and the penny, cryptocurrency is everywhere right now. You can use either your Binance, your OKX. You can use a lot of cryptocurrency platforms to make your money out from Monetag. So when you come to cryptocurrency, the minimum payout is 100 USDT or $100, right? And when you come to paper, the minimum is $5. The scale is just €5, which is available in only United Kingdom. All right. So you can either use the cryptocurrency. So once we tap on the cryptocurrency, that's the easiest way. So I'm going by the easiest way. Now, in case you want your money in Bitcoin, you can go ahead and select Bitcoin and input in your address from your crypto wallet. In case you want the USDT TRC20, you can do the same. USDT TIP20, you can do the same. So that's the easiest way for you to make money. Trust me, you might think $100 is a way long for you to just withdraw your money from Monetag. But trust me, it is the easiest way and the simplest way. As you're following this particular channel, you get a lot of tips on how you can make money on Monetag. Trust me. The next is the referral program. Of course, this is not a Ponzi scheme or referral thing. But once you refer something or you refer a friend of yours, you might actually get 5% of your earnings. All right. So you can actually click here to get the link. Share your link with your friend. So once your friend join the platform using a link, you also make some cool profit amount of money from this particular platform. This is one of the easiest way to make money as at 2026. Now I'm going ahead to show you where, in case you have problem with your account, you can contact the customer service provider in case of any assistance. So click on this session, help center, and it's going to take you to this particular session. So in case you have problem with your account, you can go ahead and read most of the article and get your problem solved for you. This is one of the easiest way make money, trust me. Now come to this session here at the top here. That's where your profile is. So you can get to go through your profile, your emails that you used to create, and a lot of stuff out there. All right, so let me show you the simplest way you can make money with the direct link. Now come to direct link aspect here, click on the direct link, and just as I click on the direct link and paste it here, you saw that just open this. This means that the number of people who click on this particular link is going to make you money. This means we want a lot of people. So if you want a lot of people, what you're actually going to do is we're going to do something which will bring a lot of people into our DM. Now, I'm going to recommend to you 3 different strategies for you to make money with that directly. And the first one I'm going to talk about is Facebook. Now, a lot of people have heard about Facebook traffic on Monetag and a lot, or making traffic on Facebook. Now, this is some of the simplest and strategic way I'm actually going to share with you. So, Facebook is the basis of all, which means that once you start promoting your link on Facebook, a lot of people are going to get engaged on Facebook. Trust me, Facebook have gotten about billions of users across the world. And once you start promoting your link, you can get to know. Now, I'm not going to explain further because check under the description of this particular video. I have a link there which is actually going to explain to you a video of how you can promote your link on Facebook safely, because you might end up getting it wrong. Now, the second I'm actually going to recommend for you is what you call the blogger.com. Now, I know you are actually not a blogger, but we are actually trying to manipulate a way through in order for you to create a blog, either the blog is actually going to consist about how to make money online, how how to make money with kids or whatever, how to make strategy from YouTube that maybe you can make a particular blog about kids, you can make a particular blog about Iran. Currently there is an issue trending online about how Dubai, Iran, Qatar are actually facing some measures problem out there. You can actually create a problem and then embed in their direct link and start promoting it. Once people tap on that particular link, you make money out from it. That is it. Very easy, very simple, and very convenient. So I'm going to share with you a lot of strategies, but these are some of the ways I'm actually going to tap on it. And the next I'm going to tell you is TikTok. All right. Just right now, everybody is focused on TikTok. Trust me, everybody is focused on TikTok. Now, TikTok is actually earning um a lot of users out there. All right, a lot of users that are unlike Facebook. Now, I don't know the two of them, but Facebook is actually dominating right now. Currently, they have about these statistics here. Let's check this out here. So, most of the platform currently, Facebook is leading, YouTube is leading. Now, TikTok is the fourth one, which is about 1.5 billion users on Facebook right now. This means we can actually make money on TikTok too. So I'm gonna share with you these strategies, and in my next video, I'm actually gonna take time to explain everything for you to know how these can be done. Now, mind you that payday for Monetag is monthly basis. So once you withdraw your money this month, you might only have the chance to withdraw your money next month. That is what you have to know on Monetag. So get yourself ready and then connect to this particular channel. Subscribe, like this video, leave a nice comment, because I'm going to actually release a new strategy for you 2026 on how you can make money on Monetag only. So thank you very much for watching this particular video. Like this particular video, leave a nice comment, and hope to see you in my next video. Yeah.